So small change in the code I made. So this is all same as it is. JSON stringify also remains as it is. Only I have added single quotes surrounding f name and address. And then to collect the data, I have removed that code which was there, and I will be replacing that code with something different. So the code is, after we receive the data from the body part using post, what we can do is we can take the data in the form of input stream, which is going to give us the data inside the body. And then one by one we'll read all the records. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a breakpoint here, run the server first, and then run the client. So I'll put here STC and Pune. If I put on click, you'll find out that data appears as it is in the string format back to the server. So if we have to pass on the data in the secure format, which is using post or so inside the body, one can very well take this action.